Hello everyone, and welcome back to Thomas Tips. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most powerful AI language models out there, Qwen by Alibaba Cloud. In recent benchmarks, the tool has shown better results than ChatGPT and DeepSeek. Whether you're looking to generate text, solve problems, write code, or even have fun conversation, Qwen has got you covered. So let's get started. The application is free to use, but you need to have a registered account. The interface is similar to most other AI tools such as ChatGPT and DeepSeek and lets you choose a model. By default, the model is set to Qwen 2.5 Plus. For the highest performance, let's switch it to Qwen 2.5 Max and make it default. So let's take a look at some of the use cases. Let's start with one of Qwen's strongest suits, coding assistance. For this, I will enter my prompt, write a Python code to stimulate balls bouncing inside the cube. I will choose the option Artifacts to see generated code in action. Whether you need help debugging or generating code snippets, Qwen has got you covered. As you can see, Qwen has provided functional and well-structured code. If you want to further enhance it or change it, simply enter your request and chatbot will make the changes. To further test it, I have asked the tool to enhance the code, so each time the balls hit the wall, it changes colors. As you can see, it has made the changes and the balls change colors each time they hit the wall. You can request the tool to create code in any of the available coding languages. The second use case is video generation. Although Qwen isn't primarily known for video generation, it does offer an experimental tool to create short clips. To test it out, I have prompted it to create the 10-second cinematic video of a futuristic city at the sunset. For a better result, try to add as much details as possible. Currently, the video generation process can take up to 5 to 10 minutes, and even if you prompt it to create a 10-second or longer clip, the video is limited to 5 seconds only. I have tested this tool out with different prompts and can tell that the overall results are impressive given that it's an experimental tool. The third use case is math problem solving. Qwen excels in mathematics and has shown the best benchmarks between the most popular AI tools. Simply enter your query and let the tool do the rest. I have asked it to solve a quadratic equation, and within seconds it has broken it down step by step and provided a clear solution. This makes Qwen an excellent tool for students and professionals. The fourth use case is logical reasoning. Qwen has shown great results in this field by solving classic logic puzzles. Let's test it out with the following query. 3 people arrive at the hotel and pay $30 each. Later, the manager realizes the bill should only be $25. The bellboy returns $5, keeping 2 for himself and giving 1 to each guest. Where did the missing dollar go? The tool breaks down the query and shows where the logical error is coming from in a simple manner. This makes Qwen ideal for educational purposes. In addition to these use cases, the interface offers a selection of preset options to help you quickly find the most suitable one for your task. Instead of crafting long and complex prompts yourself, simply click on the preset and the system will generate a fully structured prompt for you. This not only streamlines the process but also ensures that the tool aligns more closely with your ideas. Qwen provides instant access to various options such as create an image, code, make a plan, news, create a video, analyze an image, summarize text, get advice, help me write, brainstorm, and artifacts. Each of the options also suggests prompts for you to test it out. Still, to make the most out of Qwen, here are some tips. Be specific with your prompts to get better results. Experiment with different tones and formats. Use follow-up questions to refine answers. And always review outputs for accuracy before finalizing them. And that wraps up our quick guide to getting started with Qwen AI. As you can see, whether you're a student, professional, or just somebody curious about AI, Qwen provides endless possibilities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you never miss out future tutorials. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay curious.